morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Let's see what we have here. We got Reflex. Good morning. Good morning, Tato. Good morning, Victor. Good morning, BDN. Good morning, Florine. All right. I was actually looking to take gold before I started the stream and send it to my VIP, but then maybe you guys will be able, maybe we'll be able to catch it together. So this previous bearish candle that just closed, I was expecting it to actually flip bearish, but it didn't flip bearish until about, it actually flipped bearish at exactly uh, like 1 minute before it closed. And I just didn't want to get in. Plus, I was also waiting to see if it's gonna close below the support, and it actually just did. So um, we'll see if it's this is actually gonna flip bearish, and then we could take it here on the 30 minute and have our stops just right at the top of this bearish flip for about 20 pips, and we'll see what happens. Man, I haven't traded gold in a freaking while. So you better freaking do right if I do take it. You feel me? We'll see what's gonna happen here. Uh, let's have some music playing here. All right, but I'm not in yet, so all right. So if this candle flips bearish, we could take the sales. But if it starts dropping, even if it does not get to this back to this resistance zone, it should come back down to this support zone at least. And from where our entry is, that should be a total of about 30 to 40 pips. So we'll see what happens. Good morning, John Curry. Good morning, Maggie. Good morning, Mr. Grandtime. You just took shot on GU. All right. Oh, Count Chile, you couldn't sleep, so you're just gonna trade. All right. Hopefully, it's gonna be a very great winning day for us. Right now, I'm actually looking for sales because we just broke the lows. Even though gold has nothing to do with London session, that's why I'm still willing to take it uh, before London opens. Doo -doo. Um, EJ actually broke below this support, came down, faked out. So we'll see if it's still gonna drop. I'm looking to get in AJ right at 93,815. Um, I'm actually gonna put an alert here on gold gonna put it somewhere here. Just in case this candle start flipping bearish, we gonna get there a lot. All right, and let's watch AJ. I mean, let's watch AJ. Good morning, Rico. So if we do take AUD here, we're gonna have about 15 pips stop loss here. And back down here it's about 20 pips, I believe, from our entry. Let me verify again. Yeah, 20 to 25 pips. Yeah, but with a strong sell to the downside, we should have about 50 pip range here. So we shall see. We shall see. GU sells, he just has to freaking break below 1.2500. Now, what you have on GU now, you have your Asian highs right here on GU. So if we break above these Asian highs, we should get back to this resistance. Alright, because we could come down and still reject this support at 1.2500, but if we do break below that, then we should continue. Because remember, this candle here just has a tiny, itty bitty little wick. So I don't trust it that much. Alright, gold is still thinking about what to do. Should I flip? Should I continue bullish? What should I do? He's trying to decide. Good morning, AJ, EJSL, Mr. Commando. You took gold today, AJ. Spot Forex, good morning. Spot Forex, I'm trying to give gold a shot. Trying to give it a shot. I said now I even trade gold. Not really, I'm just trying to give it a shot. Good morning, Paul. Just trying to give it a shot. But if this candle flips bearish, it should come down. I said all the best. Sport Forex said all the best. All the best. But trust me, don't think I'm going to be using my full margin whenever I trade good. Nope. Alright, I took gold. I took gold. Well, took it. We're gonna see what it does. And just like I said, I'm not using my full lot size on this. Oh, shit. Just giving gold another shot again. Ugh. But the times I've traded it here live, I haven't lost. So we'll see. I haven't lost a single trade. Hold on, how many times have I traded gold on stream? I think 3 times, if I'm right. When I was streaming in New York, I think I've traded it 3 times and we didn't lose those 3 times. So um, we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, Jacqueline, yes, I will be. Yeah, you guys don't have to take this gold trade. You don't have to. How Flo said good luck, bro. JTM Kane, how you doing? It does look promising, but you never know with gold. So, and like I said, I've traded gold 3 times this whole year. 3 times. Didn't lose any of those 3 trades. So, I mean, maybe I'll keep it going. But then again, those 3 trades was doing New York session. So, and when it comes to gold, it has more volume during New York. So it does move during London as well, but it moves slow. New York, you get a lot of volume with gold. Yes, I am. I'm giving gold another shot. Nice, JTM Kane. Very nice. Today, though, we got bank holiday in Japan, so we'll see if we're gonna have volume with this JPY pairs. Because sometimes, even with the holidays in Japan, JPY pairs they still move. So with a lot of volume too. Um, so we'll see what happens today, though. We'll see if we're gonna get some volume here once London session opens. You started your FTMO challenge today. Did you take this gold trade on your FTMO account? Remember what the signal I just sent to the VIP? Uh, I said lower your lot size because that's exactly what I'm doing. Man, Rohan CPI knows. I don't know, man. I don't know. But I have a feeling they either gonna leave it the same, just like the previous one was at 0.2%. They either gonna keep it the same or they might increase it zero point 0.5. That's what I think. I don't think it's gonna be a crazy increase. So they either gonna keep it the same or if they're gonna increase it maybe 0.5%. Yeah. I call the title of this stream Money Making Wednesday, so it better be a Money Making Wednesday. Oh, but based on what I'm looking at, it does look promising. I'm not gonna lie, even though I don't trade gold, but it does look promising though. I just need 10 to 20 pips. That's it. So go 10 to 20 pips. That's all I need from you. Looks very good on the 1 hour. Very, very good on the 1 hour. With this bearish flip here with a nice top wick, creating a resistance, signifying rejection here at the previous resistance here to the left, support here to the right. So it does look promising. It does look promising. Oh, and guys, I'm gonna be getting off this stream in the next in the next 2 hours. So I'm gonna get off early because I have a one-on-one session that I have to do at that time. I had to do it this time because they're from another country, so it's gonna be daytime over there. So, but tomorrow I'll stay longer. Tomorrow, Friday, I will stay longer. If you're gonna flip, create a top wick and then drop, or just drop. Just freaking drop. The dollar is actually bullish. The dollar is bullish, so gold should keep dropping.
Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have a more crying. Calling me sweeter. Telling me
GPY pairs, I'm just gonna wait for London Open.
I give them the cinema, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money, she break off real fast like money.
If GJ can close below this support, it should be nice. Oh damn, David, you're going crazy. You went full margin on gold, huh? David was like, well, F it, I'm just gonna go full margin on gold.
Why spend all your money on just one part of the
So if gold respect this setup, I would trade it more often. Maybe, maybe not. But every time I do, I'm always gonna lower my lot size. If I do, anytime I take it, if it's a setup that I like, no matter how good the setup is, I'm never gonna go full margin on gold. And what I mean by that is I'm always gonna reduce my lot size, like not use my regular lot size.
Playing trances, going all to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like the drive, get down dirt like that guy. You want some love like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trace the stars above to let us know? Let go. We only got this life, no guarantees. So stars align, follow your passion trail, and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run
Yes, yeah,
second chances?
I took this house.
I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
If this candle start breaking above, let's see. If this candle start breaking above 1788, I'm gonna close half, and that will be closed at what? I'm gonna close half at 7 pips, negative 7 pips if it start breaking above. But for now, I'm gonna keep it running. Hold on. Actually, start breaking above this previous high at, yep, 1788. Close half right there. And what happened to the music? Oh, that's the end? Start all over. Yeah, I think everything is waiting for USD CPI. That's why I know I'm probably not even gonna go to sleep after my one-on-one session, so I can catch those moves. Good morning, Peter. All right, I'll be closing half here. If you ain't, close half as well. Just managing my risk. You know the deal. All right, close half at negative.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We
6
gon' make it big
pips.
one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment.
This previous 30-minute bearish candle that closed doji should have been the candle to push us a little bit down at least. Well, we got like what, 14 minutes to London session. So right now, it's rejecting these wicks right here. It's completely ignoring these wicks right here to the left. Well, we'll see what it does. Not giving up on it yet. Not giving up on it yet.
heading on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen your smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November.
DXY is actually bullish, but it's rejecting the resistance zone right now. But it's bullish. That's why gold is moving like that right now. OG Fat Boy Slim DXY.
Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline we made.
What's DXY? Oh, DXY is the US dollar index. That's DXY.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.
No, no, not JXY. D as in dog. DXY. Uh, the JPY is 6J 6JI. That's the Jeopardix index. 6J1. I mean. GU is still rejecting this support. Alright, London session opens in 7 minutes and this candle closes in 7 minutes. Obviously, 1 hour flip bullish as well. Yes. Good morning, Nkechi. Or if you go on Trading View, you can just click on all on the watch list tab. If you go here, you click on the plus sign, and for the dollar currency index, you put it in all, and you search for DXY. It should pop up, and you can just click on the first one, which is by TVC, and then for the yen, 6J, and it should be the third one. No, nope, not this one. Click on futures, and it's right here. You click on it, and it's gonna take you to the yen. That's what you do. I'm not gonna close it just yet. If we close like this, still rejecting this previous resistance and support, if we're still rejecting it, we could still come down. But the next candle is going to determine if I'm going to close out my entire position or just let it run. I already closed half at -6 pips just to manage my risk. So we'll see what happens here. I believe my stop loss. My original stop loss is for about 18 pips, so we shall see. Well, I decided to give it a shot today, you know. I'm like, well, why not? Why not? It looked good and I took it. So This is actually my first time, my first time trying gold London session. I've never traded it during London. This is my first time. The three gold trades we took previously when I started streaming, that was when I was streaming in New York. So it was done in New York. It was beautiful. First time, man, it was crazy. It was like 150 pips. Um, Second time we got like 50 pips. Third time we got like 40, I believe. This candle has no bottom wick though, but I'm gonna just close it. It has no bottom wick. Uh, Surprisingly, JPY pairs are not doing nothing. Come on, freaking flip bearish, man. Alright, I closed it, guys. I closed my trade. I'm out of gold. I'm out of gold. Alright. Alright, so since we're doing this, then that means this is our support here now. Alright, give it a shot, didn't work out. Uh, any other pairs on my watch list? Uh, EJGJ. Uh, GU as well, so we'll see how GU closes. AJ looks like a nice demand setup here, right there. We're gonna see how GU closes. Ah,
Wanna go with confidence. Wanna go do it all like hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want.
so GJ needs to break and close above 163, 300 to take buys.
Keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back down,
Buys looks
rotation.
better on EJ above
Season.
138, 300, but if it closes above 138, 100, and we have good entry, that should give about, man, 15 to 20 pips. And if not, then you're just gonna have to wait for EJ to break and close above 138, 300. You say you trade gold in multiples of 5. Now that it's not over 1790, it should go to 1795. Ha. It's probably gonna go to 1795. Actually, it should.
show ya. Wish me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have a more crown. Gonna be sweet.
Alright, remember guys, we got CPI today.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break off real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running wild. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, hold on tonight. Oh, no cover, no get to you clean, no me proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You wanna me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down, I get sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time.
Alright.
Can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you
JPY pairs might not even, we might not get volume from them today just because of JPY bank holiday. So hopefully GU gives us something here. We just need a break and close above this Asian highs, and then should be good buys. Let me see something here. Let me see something. If we have stops below this 4-hour low, uh, I'm not in, guys. I'm not in yet. Just getting everything set up. Yeah, I start at 1 a.m. CST and 2 a.m. EST. So looking at the 4 hour on GU, if this 4 hour flips bullish, we should continue up, at least back up to this resistance. And if we break below this 4 hour spot, it's just that we probably do not have enough pip range. And you have about 10 to 15 pips pip range here, depending on your entry. And for you to have a 1-to-1, that means you're going to have at least a 10 pip stop loss. If I'm currently looking for buys on GU, it looks good for buys until we start breaking these Asian lows and New York lows. But right now we're still rejecting, so and GJ needs to break above 163, 300. If you got decent PP range, yeah, you get about 30, 20 to 30 PP range. All right, let me play some hip hop and BHD. While we're still waiting for entry here, just gonna wait for that to load. Ah, look at freaking goat. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Now, what he basically just did was reject off of this minor support here. It's rejecting off of this minor support at 1791. If it flips bearish and closes below this support it created at 1788, it should continue down. All right, while we're waiting for an entry, so if you're looking for a reputable broker because your broker sucks, you're paying too much commissions, too much spreads, I definitely do recommend Anchor Trade because with Anchor Trade you can use either MT4 or MT5. And if you're not using MT5, I really suggest you start using MT5 right now because very soon we're no longer going to be able to use MT4 anymore. And with Anchor Trade, I recommend two different account types, either ECN if you have less than $1,000 to deposit, and if you have at least $1,000, then I do recommend ECN Plus. Anchor Trade has spreads starting from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, very good low commissions, and you can actually apply for a matching deposit bonus. And if you do apply for a matching deposit bonus, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200. Make sure it's at least 1 to 200. Alright, so if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. And if you don't want to apply for the matching deposit bonus, I recommend using the maximum leverage, which is 1 to 500. This is the leverage that I use on all my Anchor Trades accounts. Alright, so let's get back to GU. See if GU is going to go bullish here and close above this Asian highs here for us to look for an entry. I'm not sure Mugisha, but you can try it out because I actually haven't seen any African trader using Anchor Trade, so I'm not sure. Good morning, Sparkle B. Oh, you just came in. I just have this strong feeling that everything, all these pairs are trying to wait for CPI. GG is ranging. I mean, we have the bank holiday in Japan, but EJ ranging also, CJ ranging, AJ still in the range. GU still playing, still thinking on what to do. And according with gold, I really wasn't expecting it since it rejected this freaking minor support here to the left. I wasn't expecting it to flip bearish again. I was expecting it to at least get to 1794, 1795. That was what I was expecting it to do. All right, this GU candle closes in 2 minutes, and we're gonna see what he wants to do. CPI is a New York session. 30 minutes after a New York session opens. Spark would be, I recommend 1 to 500. High vibrational king, EU, AU, GU buys, EJ buys. Damn, we only got 33 likes. Damn, you guys are not messing with me today, huh? I really believe if this 4 hour really it already flip bullish, just needs to continue.
The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could've been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God it would've owed me. Everything you told me. Everything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I changed on them. The highs with the lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. just saw Jizzy got a plane. Guess it's what he meant when he said nothing was the
Still
same.
waiting, guys.
Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some things gon' change. I'm just soaking up the game. Through the mud out the rain like. I remember all those same nights. Now I'm on top, no stage fright. Now I'm on go, no brake lights. Hit the pedal, hit the engine roar. No fear like a matador. Breaking trends and I'm making more. Going up, climbing ladders more. I can't be stopped. Now I do what I want. Real, no front. All the way to the top. Highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me.
I'm in, guys. I'm in GU. I'm in GU. I bought GU. So I'm in GU buys. I'm in GU buys. This is something 94 hour. Uh, 121, 254. That's actually where my first TP is, but obviously I'm gonna take partials before it gets there. So EJ looks like he wants to break this support, but then you got this resistance and support here. Not enough people in, so sales below 137, 650. If you're looking to take EJ, and GJ sells below 163. Um, oh, you entered aggressively on GU. Yeah, you should push up. And looking at the daily, we should really push up and fill up this week. Push up and fill up this week. But if we should come back here and drop and close below these highs, bias is over with. Bias is over with. It's just gonna be a matter of time before the 4-hour freaking flips bearish. Yeah, EJ is dropping nicely. Now GJ wants to follow suit. Man, I don't like the fact that I'm still negative on GU though. No room to take the sales here. If you took it, you just took an impulse entry. But at least it's moving. Good morning, Ekine. This 5-minute trend line here, if it comes down and break it and breaks this low here, that's when I'm closing. So we'll see if the 5 minute trend line on GJ is going to be respected. If that doesn't get respected, we'll see if this 5 minute lows is going to be respected. So we shall see what GU wants to do here. We shall see what GU wants to do. EJ tripping. You said if EJ didn't want to keep going down, you jumping in. Oh yeah, DXY. DXY is currently falling, so GU should continue pushing up. Let me look at DXY on the H1. Oh yeah, GU should continue pushing up. Yeah, respected this 1 hour trend line very, very nice. Yeah, so GU should continue pushing up because DXY is falling right now. So since DXY is falling, GU should keep pushing up, and good should continue pushing up as well. All right, guys. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back.
it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the
Alright, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back.
I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Choo-choo. Alright, G, you still tripping? If GU breaks this minor support, it's going to 1794, 1795. I mean gold, I mean. Here we have a trend line here. Maybe. No guessing. I don't trade Chef JPY. Just in case. Come on, GU. Like lately, what happened to freaking London session value? Maybe after CPI tomorrow, London volume will be good.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. Won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish.
Yeah, at least the trend line is still holding on the 5 minute.
Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. Won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it. Out of order way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Table set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. Won't stop.
Come on, GU, to the moon. To the moon, GU, to the moon. Let's go to the moon. Let's go to space. Take us to space.
I keep God first. I see evil, when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it off.
Come on, let's go to space, GU.
Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the fingers keep coming in. I got you, but just know I'm texting like Uncle Sam.
Because of CPI, gold is gonna really move. New York session.
Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball. Coach keep me in the game, Curry deadly with the range. I keep looking in the mirror like, who is he? I'm insane. Who am I? He insane. Guess I am the one to blame. What's done is done, won't change. Time to live up to my name. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleeping, no, I won't fall. No sleeping, no, I won't it all. I keep God first. I see evil,
What's going on right now is just freaking insane.
This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off.
Where did my trend line go?
You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it off.
What the hell? What happened to my trend line?
Told me, baby, meet me at the bank. Told me, mama, I'ma break the trend. Locked in, I'ma change
Haha.
Working for my baby's kids. Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to him, always made the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you could never do. Got my back against the wall. Bet I always pull through. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Sending shots, I block 'em. Superman with the moves. Rock 'em, sock 'em, drop off 'em. Play to win, never lose. Run it up.
Is that trading views bugging? Yeah, looks like it.
I hip hop or pop 'em. Anything I could do. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I made for a while. No sleeping while I won't fall. No sleeping while I won't lead off.
If we come back and tap this low, I'm getting out. Once we start breaking these lows, I'm getting out. Buys is over with. And there will be no reason for me to wait and see if it's gonna hit my stop loss. No, not yet. Not yet, India. Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Now that we're doing this right now, looking at the H1, if it flips bearish, for those of you that are not on GU yet, there's an entry for you. But if it decides to freaking start coming down and crosses this low here at 1.2793, I'm closing out. I was hoping we'll get at least 10 to 20 pips before I end this stream. Well, gold rejected that minor support. Created resistance right there. All right, DXY. DXY just bounced off this trend line here and closed back in the range. Oh, because I'm using a different chart on DXY. Um, Actually, let's do this real quick.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds
So
blinging, carols
we
singing,
got DXY.
season.
We got this trend line.
But you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah.
You see how it bounced off this trend line
Got up in that bag, yeah.
and rejected its support.
My sack, my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is
All right.
falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice. Most of y'all
But we got this resistance that it has to break, which is the most recent resistance right here. We got resistance and support. So this was what I was talking about.
Yasha, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stays.
Am I gonna trade CPI? Yes, I think I will.
Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Me no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
7:30 a.m. your time.
Saying it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah. They said saying it, but you got up in that bag, yeah.
But looking at gold, what gold is doing right now,
Saying it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah.
I had a zone here on gold. Like, where did all my zones go?
I got racks in my sack, in my back.
Man, trading view is tripping, man.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Like, everything is just tripping today. Trading view tripping, pairs are tripping. So gold, we got its support. Looks like I gotta freaking draw this again. Just gonna do it on the 30. We got this support and we got this minor support here at around 1790, 1791, 1792. So rejected it. Now it doesn't really mean it's gonna come down because you get these support right over here. At the same time, we possibly looking at a break of this minor support and then a retest for price to continue pushing down. Now the question is it gonna break these lows? That's the question. If it breaks these lows, then obviously it should head down to this support. So since gold is not bullish right now, that's why GU is acting this way. And looking at DXY as well, that's where I'm like, okay, now if we do come down and start breaking these minor lows here, I'm gonna close out of my trade on GU. Close out everything. So the way I trade news, now sometimes it doesn't happen. For example, let's say before news happened, let's use this candle for example, this bearish candle for example. Now was this news? I think this was the news. which was yesterday. Give me a second. Let me confirm that. Maybe that was a news candle. Give me a second. No, it wasn't. It wasn't. Um, but I'm gonna use this candle as an example. So this is how I trade news. Now, when news starts, when news starts, this candle was definitely previously going bullish. It was going bullish, so when news happens, I'ma wait. If that candle opens bullish, I'ma wait and see what that candle does. I'm not gonna get in right away. I'ma wait and see if it's actually gonna flip bearish. If it flips bearish, I'm definitely gonna take that trade. And if it flips bullish, I'm gonna take that buy position. That's how I that's how I trade news. And if it does not flip, I'm not gonna get in. I'm not gonna take no impulse entries. None of that. I'm gonna wait for it to either break the highs or break the lows, and I'll look for my entries. And I'll look for my entries. But let's go to GJ. GJ had a very good example. Uh, yeah, this right here. I believe this was on Monday. Monday, GDP news on GBP. Yep, this is a very good example. Was going bullish when news happened. Was going bullish. Got up here. Got up to 164. Did not close and then immediately flipped bearish. Once it flipped bearish, because it didn't close, it flipped bearish when the news is still going on. And within that 30 minutes, and then this is where my entry would have been. Obviously, my stops would have been too big, but I would freaking take it. This is the kind of setup I'm talking about. This is how you trade the news. You either wait, if it does not flip, just wait for it to break your highs or your lows, and then you look for your positions after that. That's all you gotta do. At least that's what I do. FMH 30 grand. What spread of 30 pips? $30 pips spread on gold? What broker is that? Maybe you meant 3.0. That's what I thought. Yeah, 3 pips. Yeah, that's good. 3 pips is good. If your spread on gold is more than 5 pips, in my opinion, then you need to switch. Obviously, the lesser the better, but if it's more than 5, you need to switch your broker, in my opinion. If you're really a gold trader, like you trade gold a lot, then if your spread is more than 5 pips on gold, you need to switch your broker. Your broker is killing you. The sudden move happens right when the news starts. That you have to avoid that sudden move. That's why you either wait for the break of your structure, whether your resistance or your support. If that doesn't happen, then look out for bullish or bearish flips. Like the GG example that I just used, um, this GJ candle, this GJ candle, this move here was during the news on GBP news on Monday. Now, was it a yeah, I think it was a Monday. Now, when the news happened, it opened bullish. That's why you see this top wick here. And it rejected the equity resistance. For me, when it opened bullish, I would have been waiting for it to close. I'm not getting in if it does not close. But since it flipped bearish, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. It came down, broke the previous highs for price to continue pushing down. And then I'm jumping in. I'm gonna check this setup every time trading news. So those are the two options you have. That's how I trade the news. I wait for break of structure, wait for it to close. If it doesn't give me an entry after that, then I guess I won't. Then I'm not gonna trade that day. But news like CPI, uh, PPI, GDP, they really move the market. Is gonna have an impact. I'll be ending this stream soon, guys. But before I do, uh, if I end this stream and we're not back in profit, remember what I said. I'm actually ending this stream because I have a one-on-one session very soon. And if GU starts breaking 1.20793, close out your trade, guys, because that's what I'm gonna do. Because at that point, we no longer we're testing this resistance here. We're breaking these lows, and we're gonna come down to this support. So, and there'll be no point to just leave your trade running. So, for example, let's say on gold, and you look at your spread, and you see 4.0. That's 4 pips. Your spread is 4 pips, not 40. 40, that's freaking insane. Your spread is 4 pips. Just like when Wilhan said 30, it wasn't 30, it was just 3 pips. That's it. Do you know how to look at your spread on do you know how to look at your spread on MT4 or MT5 if you're using MT5?
I just like it back to the bank, tell her us. Put in overtime, so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Okay, if you're using MT5, if you open your MT5, if this thing does not freaking go up now, I don't know what else to say. So if you go to your MT5, click on quotes. When you click on quotes, and then you should see your spread when you click on quotes. And on MT4, I haven't used MT4 in a while. On MT4, when you click on quotes, you have two options at the top. You have simple or advanced. You click on advanced and you'll see your spread. Alright? Come on, GU, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Before you just gave us 10 pips, man. We've been in on GU. We've been in on GU. And like I said it earlier that once this 1 hour flip bullish, for those of you that were not in GU already, that was your entry. But you know, majority of us, we was already on GU. I said if it comes below, if you start crossing below 1.20793, 1.20793, I'm gonna type it in the chat. 1.2079. Oh, hold on. Damn, that's not typing. 1.20793. Alright, it's playing too many games. Went up 5 pips and came back down. Bank holiday, that's why JPYs are not doing nothing. Alright. Excuse me, guys. Alright guys, God bless you all. Just remember what I said. I have to end this stream now. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hopefully GU acts right and we freaking win this trade. Alright guys, God bless you all. See you guys again tomorrow. And for those of you in the VIP, I'm probably going to trade CPI today, New York session. So watch out for my signal as well, and I'll keep you guys updated as well. All right. If you want to join the Discord, the link is down below in the description. VIP down below in the description. Anchor Trade, the link is down below in the description as well. See you guys tomorrow.